Hi everybody! I wanted to make a video about our trip to Fuzzy Dog Books today. The kindergarten crew walked down together. It's not very far. We can almost see it from our front windows of our school. We walked down to a bookstore. It's not a library where you can borrow books, but it's a store that you can go in and you can buy books and you take them home to keep. And it's called Fuzzy Dog Books. And so we made this big poster of all the things we saw. This was Miss Sarah. She's the owner, and she helped us find the books that we were looking for. There's a dog somebody drew, and there was a window and a door, and a really neat old doorknob. And there were lots of stairs. Do you see all these green stairs? There were 3 flights that we went to the very top. Here somebody drew looking down the stairs with their friends. They were looking down. They're upside down looking down the stairs because there were so many stairs going up, up, up. And when we got to the top, we saw princess books, and there were books about bunnies and a Valentine book. And we got to find books for our classroom. We brought old books that we didn't need anymore in our classroom, and we took them in and we traded and we used some money to buy some new books. And one of the books we got was called Sheep in a Shop. We have read Sheep in a Jeep when we did our little mini sheep unit, and this is called Sheep in a Shop. I thought this was really funny because these sheep are always pretty silly, and we went to a shop like the sheep. But let me tell you, these kindergartners, they were careful and they listened and they took care of the materials and the books that they got to see, and they helped each other, and we weren't too loud. We didn't spill anything. Let me tell you, these sheep did not do as well as my kindergarten crew. I'm going to read this to you. A birthday's coming, hip hooray! 5 sheep shop for the big, big day. There they're going to the store. That was us walking down the street to the store. Sheep find rackets. Sheep find rackets. Sheep find jackets with lots of pockets. Sheep find blocks. Sheep wind clocks. Sheep try, what are they trying to do? Trains. Sheep fly planes. Look, they're flying the plane way over to the other sheep. Wonder if that's going to hit them. Sheep decide to buy a beach ball. Sheep prefer the out of reach ball. They're like, I want that one, but they can't reach it. Sheep climb. Sheep grumble. Sheep reach. Sheep fumble. Sheep sprawl. Boxes tumble. Oh no. Boxes fall in one big jumble. Sheep put back the beach ball stack. They choose some ribbon from the rack. Well, they're even wrapping the presents. They dump their bank. Pennies clank, 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 clank. So they're getting their money ready. They want to pay for the beach ball and the box and the ribbon. There's not enough to buy the stuff. So they have just a couple coins and it's not enough. Sheep blink. Oh no. Sheep think. What can they swap to buy? To pay the shop. What can they swap to pay the shop? Sorry. Remember what we said that sheep give us to use? They take their wool and they cut it with shears. Now this is a pretend book, but we do this for real. And they use the wool, and people can use that wool to make, we covered our funny pencils, but people make yarn and they weave and they knit and they make fuzzy sweaters and scarves and blankets. Sheep Clip wool, 3 bags full. Yes, Sir Johnny, yes, Sir John, 3 bags full. Sheep trade, just like we did. The bill is paid. They're trading, but instead of old books to get new books, they're trading their wool for a ball. Look at them, they're so happy. Skipping home, that's like us. Sheep hop home in the warm spring sun. They're ready for some birthday fun. This was a book we got, Sheep in a Shop, and it was $1 from Fuzzy Dog Books. I'm going to show you one more thing. Each of my friends that came, my kindergarten crew, they wrote a book. And actually, this was my friend Charlie's idea because I was making this big fuzzy dog poster to share with everybody. This big fuzzy dog poster, it's so big. And then my friend Charlie said, hey, we should make a book because we went to Fuzzy Dog Books, so we should make a book. And I was like, that's a great idea. So we did it. Friends share ideas and they help each other. So I had everybody help me make a page for our Fuzzy Dog Bookstore Field Trip by the K Crew. And that stands for K for kindergarten because each of my friends that is in our afternoon got to make a page. So look, they even made the illustrations and we read it together. Sterling saw a Minecraft sword book. Whoa. Pretty cool drawings, don't you think? Connor saw a Death Star and Star Wars book. Esme saw a dog book. There's her cute little dog. Sky saw a unicorn book. And if you know Sky, you know she loves unicorns. And we even bought the unicorn book because it was so cool. Charlie saw a mystery book. Charlie helped me with the drawing for my page. Miss Annie saw a Little House book. Little House on the Prairie are some of my favorite books when I was little. They were written by Laura Ingalls Wilder. I'm thinking about even being her for Halloween. Arabella saw a bunny book. And look, she even made her B for bunny. Eliza saw an Elsa book. Look at that beautiful drawing she did of Elsa. And there's all my friends. That's our whole book, Fuzzy Dog Bookstore. I wanted everybody to be able to see it, so I made it in a video that you can watch with your family. Thanks so much for doing such a good job today, walking so carefully and picking out some cool books. I'm looking forward to reading you more of those books in the classroom. I'll see you later.